Most people get this wrong. They think Chime Credit Builder and Discover It Secured are basically the same thing, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing without understanding how differently they build credit. In this video, we are breaking down Chime Credit Builder versus Discover It Secured in 2026 and finding out which one is actually better for your credit journey. Let's start with the basic difference. Chime Credit Builder is not a traditional credit card. It is a secured spending account where you use your own money and Chime reports your activity to credit bureaus. Discover It Secured is a real, secured credit card. You deposit money as collateral, but you are actually borrowing from a credit line issued by Discover. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both help you build credit, but they do it in very different ways that affect your long-term score. Let's break it down, step by step. First, Chime Credit Builder. Chime works by letting you move money into your account and spend it using a card. Since you are using your own funds, there is no interest or debt risk. For someone like Alex who is new to credit, this makes it very safe and simple. You are not borrowing money, so you cannot fall into debt. But here's the problem most people miss. Chime does not function like a traditional credit line, so it does not build the same type of credit depth as a real credit card. Now let's talk about Discover It Secured. Discover requires a security deposit, usually equal to your credit limit. But unlike Chime, you are using a real revolving credit card that reports to all major credit bureaus. In a minute I'll explain why this matters for long-term credit building. For someone like Jake who wants to build strong credit history, Discover provides more traditional credit behavior like credit utilization, payments, and credit limit increases over time. Second, credit growth potential. Chime is simple and stable, but Discover has a clear upgrade path. Many users can eventually graduate to an unsecured card and even get their deposit back. Now let's compare speed and impact. Chime can show early activity quickly because setup is fast and usage is simple. Discover may take a bit more responsibility because it involves real credit usage, but it often builds stronger long-term credit profiles. So which one is better in 2026? If you want simplicity and zero risk of debt, Chime Credit Builder is easier. If you want stronger credit building with real credit card behavior and long-term growth, Discover It Secured is usually better. Let's make it simple. Chime is best for beginners who want safe, controlled credit activity. Discover It Secured is best for people who want to build a stronger, more traditional credit profile. Let's summarize everything clearly. Chime uses your own money to build credit safely. Discover uses a secured deposit to give you a real credit card experience with stronger long-term credit benefits. If this helped you understand Chime Credit Builder versus Discover It Secured in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.